Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check last seen on Snapchat. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Snapchat. After that click on chat button. And after that you can see conversations, and here you can see that here last seen was 4 weeks ago. And that's all. This is very easy way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.